Hey guys, happy Monday. We are back for another lesson. Um, I hope you guys had a great 3-day weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed your Easter and you got to crack some little eggs around your house at least. I know we did. We barbecued and we ate some good food here at home, just us. But it was still fun because we got to be with our family. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with what our lesson is for today. And today we're no longer doing money. Okay, so the money unit is done and over with. I still want to apologize about the review, how it just didn't come out like I planned. But don't worry about it. We're still good. All right, today we have lesson 14. Now, this might be a little difficult because obviously we're not in class, and in class we had our inch tiles and our centimeter cubes. So we would have worked with that. But we're going to do our best here for today. I'm just going to show you kind of how the lesson is, and hopefully that'll help you guys out. So today we're doing new theme. Today we're talking all about measurement. All right, so we're going to be doing measurement for a little bit. So yes, for those of you that were anxiously waiting to start measuring and stuff, it's finally here. All right, so our objective is I can connect measurement with physical units by using an inch tile to measure. Okay, so what is this called? And if you're about to say a cube, specifically what? And we actually used it earlier this year. I'm going to give you some thinking time on that one. It was about this big. I had blue. I had a bunch of blue ones. All right, so this is called a centimeter cube. And it actually measured in our ruler, it measured centimeters. So the little ones. Okay? Oh, right there. Little ones. And we used it for what? Y'all remember? Remember I would put string and we measured that. We measured straws. We did all that cool stuff. All right, so today we're going to look at a different unit of measurement. Today we're going to look at the inch. Okay, so measuring things in inches. Now, this is where I said if we were in class, we would be working with this. This is an inch tile. Okay. And with that one, we would have been able to measure 1 inch. Now, sorry about the camera view, but this is like facing the other way. But yeah. But the cool thing is that even though we don't have an inch tile, we do have a finger. And this top part right here, it actually measures an inch. So from here to here. Okay. So that's what you can use in case you don't have. And use this finger, guys, because my fingers are bigger. But use this finger because that's probably your biggest finger. So you can use that little part right here. Right there. Okay. Now, obviously, an inch is bigger than a centimeter cube, right? Okay. Look how I use the inch tile to measure this line. So I have this line right here. Okay. Right here and right here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use my inch tile to measure it. So I start off here and here. Guys, why do you think I started from here? Why didn't I start like my line over here? Let's see if you remember what I said, the rules about measuring. Yeah, because you always measure at the very beginning, okay? You don't just measure todo loco acá, all crazy, let me measure this. No, no, no. You always start at the beginning. So that's what you did here. So that's why it's starting there. So this is starting right here. We measure here and here, okay? So if this is 1 inch, how much did I just make there? 1 inch, okay? So if I move it over here and I measure again, how many inches do I have now? 2, right? And if I do the same, now I have 3. And now I have 4 inches. So guys, how much does my line measure? 4 inches. Guys, can I count my lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And say this is 5 inches? I'm giving you thinking time. No, right? Because we count the inside. That's what measures the inch, not the number of lines. Because look, it'll give you, if you measured it like this, the inside, you got 4. But if you count the lines, you got 5. That's an incorrect measurement. We're counting what's inside. Okay? Now, here it is all nice and clean. I'm going to measure this line. And it's the same one, guys, just in case. Do I count the lines? Or do I count the inside? The inside, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this measures 4-inch tiles. You could also do jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay? So, how long would we say this line is? Ooh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. But is this truly an inch? No, right? So it would be about 4-inch tiles still. Now, for those of you that are going to be like, no, miss, it's 4 and a quarter or 4 and 1/3. It's say, calm down. All right, how about this one? We're going to do the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how about this one? Is it fully an inch? No, but it's close to it. So I'm going to say it's about 5-inch tiles. Okay? And that's it. Literally. So your problem set should be fairly easy. It says measure the objects below with an inch tile. Now remember, we don't have an inch tile, but we do have a finger. Record the measurements in the table provided. Obviously, you're going to have different scissors at home. You're going to have different markers. You're going to have a different pencil. You're going to have a different eraser. Worksheets, you should have the same. The width as well. Length of desk. Width of desk. Now, for the desk, you can go ahead and measure a chair. That's what we'll give you, a chair. So it'll make it easier for you. And then you're going to get to this problem right here. Now, this one has the same thing, but you got different measurements. I want you to figure out why one of these students is incorrect. Okay? Now, I do want for you guys to make sure that you always start measuring at the beginning. Of object. Okay, so no me empiecen a medir en medio. In the beginning. You always start at the beginning and you always end at the end. Okay? And this will be approximately. So estimate it. Okay? Because remember I said that's the closest you're going to get to an inch tile. Alright? Just this little part right here. El dedo. Okay? And just estimate it. Alright? And let me go to my OneDrive so I can pull up what you guys had for okay, so I messed up. So this is actually your lesson for today, for Monday. Okay, so that's your information for it. All right, so don't go ahead. Oops. because this is for tomorrow, for Tuesday. Okay, so they're a little messed up, so I apologize for that. But just keep following the schedule as it is. Miss Alonso se le olvidó que había Good Friday. All right? So remember, you start measuring approximately, estimate it, okay, as best as you can. Your exit ticket, I expect a picture of it. Parents, if for some reason they can't submit it that day, it's all right. You have the whole entire week to submit the assignment, so don't worry about that. Padres, si por alguna razón no me pueden entregar el boletito de salida, pues me lo manda, tienen hasta el viernes para mandarme la información. Si estás en mi salón de homeroom, if you're in my homeroom, make sure you try and connect every day because I am taking attendance. Si estás en mi clase de la mera mañana en homeroom, manda algo que es para saber que si está metiéndose a la computadora, así yo puedo tomar la asistencia de ese día. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.